Hello and welcome to our portal step-by-step video tutorials. In this short video, I will be explaining how you can generate student ID card, employees ID card, and of course admission letter. Also, sorry, and of course we also have what we call a admit card, which is also the same thing as exam packs, right? So, having logged on to your website or your school dashboard as an admin, you go to your right side menu, you click on card management. Under the card management, we have what we call ID card template. If you click on this ID card template, we have default template. Oh, for the purpose of this training, I'll be using these three default templates, and all these templates will be added to each and every other schools portal later. So here we're making use of this default template for now, which I said it will be added to others platform later, so that you can make use of them, and of course make some changes if you also like. So here also you can quickly fill the what's it called, the ID card template, and of course you can edit any of them to your text. So here is these are the things you only need to edit. So in case you don't need some of these items, you can delete them and then leave the remaining ones that are required, and that is all. So haven't let's assume we want to remove the number of rows, the row number. Since we don't have a row number, then you can delete that. So I haven't done that, then you click on save, and that is that. So to generate student ID card, so either using of these student template, I mean general template one or template two. We also have for employee. So the two the first two are for student, while the last one is for employee. So all these one can be edited. You can change the content, like I said earlier, and as I did earlier. So to generate student ID card now, you click on student ID card, then you select the class. This is done after you have added all your students to their respective classes, and then of course here I need to choose the particular template I want to use. So I want to use template one. So I will click on filter. So having click on filters, it will bring out the number of students in that particular class, which is basic one. So if I want to generate the ID card for all of the students in that particular class at once, I will check this general button. That will allow me to generate the ID card for all of them at once, as you can see. So it's pop up all the, even if there are thousands, it will pop up in form of PDF, maybe 3 by row times three, maybe let's say possibly 9 in a page, and then you can generate, I mean print, or send to somebody who want to print it on on a plastic. Then of course you can also save to your system. Can you see it? So that is how to generate student ID card. And of course you can choose different templates. You can use template 2 also, by changing the what's it called, the template here, like I just did now. Then you click on generate. Can you see? So can you see the difference between the first one and the second one? So here I adjust the the template. I can also save these two, then or I send to the person that will print for me if on plastic. So I can also generate for only one person. Let's assume I only need the ID card to be generated for this one student, which is Abdul Karim Kasim. Then I will click only on that student, and then I will click on generate. Can you see it? So here I can also save or send to the person who wants to print for me. Now also you can also generate ID card for your employee, be it your staff, your teachers, your admin, your accountants, as you can see here. So I will click on employee ID card, then you select the role. Do you want to generate ID card for admin? Then you select the template, of course, which is a general template 3. Don't forget I said all these templates will be added to your own portal, so that you can make use of them, and of course you can make changes to them. So we have only one admin here, which is Kasim Salah. Then I can click and generate the ID card for the admin. Also I can send this to somebody who want to print the ID card for me on plastic, and that is how to generate student employee ID card. Then the last one we mentioned here is admit card, which I said is still the same thing as exam packs. As you can see, you can quickly view that one too. And also if you are not okay with the content, you can actually make some changes to the content you are seeing there. just be sure that okay, this thing is included with all what it needs, and then if you are okay with it, then you can you can leave it like that. All right. So let's assume we want to generate a student admit card, or let's say student pass, exam pass for this particular class. The section, what let's say we want to generate exam pass for the student in this particular class. Can you see? So if I want to generate for all two, I will click on that, click on generate. So this will pop up, all the exam pass for all the students in that class. This is for one student, and then this is for the second student. So I can also save and print, or send to the person that will print, right? So I think that is that. So lastly, on card generation, we have what we call certificate. So this certificate can be, certificate of completion, certificate of participation, certificate of achievement. You understand? So, but here we want to quickly talk about how you can use this certificate aspect to generate admission letter. So I will go to certificate template. So under the certificate template, we have different templates. All right, we have school. Sorry about that. We have school certificate in A4, in QR and logo. We have experience certification for employees. Then we have what we call admission letter template. So basically, this is what we're after. You can view the content here. So all this, the content here can be edit. Like I said, if you click on this, click on edit, as you can see here. So you can make changes to the what you are seeing here. Then I haven't done your edition, then you can save. So how do we generate admission letter? You click on generate students. So if you click on generate students, then you select the class of which you want to generate their admission letter. So I want to generate the admission letter for all the students in basic one. So I will select the template, which is admission letter, then I will filter. So I haven't filtered, so I have all the students displayed here. So we have two students. So if I want to generate admission letter for only one student, I will do just as I've been doing on the other one. Then if I want to generate for all, I will click on generate all, then I'll click on generate now. So as you can see, the what's it called, the okay, the admission letter is now displayed. Then under here we have, this is just a template, what's it called, default text, which you can actually change to your own. As you can see, we generate for two students. So for the two students, they are showing. So I can also save this and then send to the student, or to the parent, or to somebody who want to print for me and give to the student. If I also want to generate for only one student, which is Abdul Karim, I will check that one, then I will click generate. Then I can also save this as, let's say, AK. Sorry, AK. So I think that is that about admission letter, and you can change the content like as I said. So you can generate as many as possible. If I want to generate for other class too, I can go to where do I have? I have student in JSX. Let me still see. So we have student in JSX 1. Okay, can you see? I can still generate for this Salisu. Can you see? So this is what is bringing for me on Salisu. So this is how to use the platform to generate student ID card, employees ID card, exam packs, and admission letter.